So normally I don't talk during these videos, as you've probably seen the previous ones, but we have a little something to discuss. Obviously, this is an unboxing of the brand new, quote, 4416 Ray-Bans. Absolutely beautiful. Very gorgeous. To be totally clear, I did buy the original Clubmasters. I wasn't impressed, so I returned them a long time ago. I had a pair of Clubmaster aluminums, one of the best feeling sunglasses I've ever felt in my life, but the case was wrong. That made me question other things. So I sent them back. I probably shouldn't have. I'd like to get both of those back again. As you can see, I'm kind of a Clubmaster nut. But something in particular, we need to talk about these Ray-Ban 3716 Clubmaster Metal. All three of these, and I know I look obsessive, are the exact same sunglasses, but they are immensely different. Now, all of these check in at 39 grams, which is what they're supposed to be. This is the first pair I bought offline. You can't fake them, and they definitely are real. This may not come across to you in the video, but look. That line there, see that line, that gold topping? Very thin, and honestly, not very bright. They look beautiful in the video, which they are, but in real life, they're more of a bronze color than that gold color. And as you can see, they are the 3716s. These are the first pair I bought. And then I went to Sunglasses Hut. And I saw these, which have been my daily driver for the past half year now. Much more gold. That gold is much more intense, as you can kind of see there. Very pretty, very glinty. The lenses were darker than those ones, which I like. I like the darker lenses. The gold was more gold. And as you can see up here, look at that line. Look at the gold edge there. Thicker. I know it's hard for you to see, but it's much thicker. Much thicker, and it is more pronounced. The lines, as you can see on the sides here, much more pronounced. The gold just looks much better, and they're like a thicker sunglass, but somehow they weigh in the same. Daily driver. Today, I go to Sunglasses Hut to buy those ones, and that appeared. I pick them up, and I'm like, those look a little different. So I take the ones off, my dailies off, I put them next to them, and sure enough, even thicker. They feel so good. The hinges feel so beautiful. And the gold, I know it's hard to convey through the video, is absolutely brilliantly amazing. It's got an even thicker brim here, thicker sides, and whether it weighs in the same or not, which it did, I mean, it's hard to show, but these ones just shined like the other ones didn't. And I was like, what the hell? I mean, it is just brilliantly amazing. The hinges, absolutely amazing. Just beautiful artwork. Just artwork like you haven't seen before. The gold is so brilliant. I just couldn't leave them there. So here's to go to show you. I don't know what's going on with the evolution of these, but these are all the same sunglasses. It is clear that they are not the same whatsoever in make. Least gold, thinnest, more gold, more pronounced, thicker, absolutely brilliant gold, amazing thickness, absolutely Art Deco. So I just want to give you a little comparison there and a little update quick on that. I just found it amazing that the exact same sunglasses from Ray-Ban must be going through some evolution. The most beautiful ones I've ever seen were the most beautiful ones I ever seen, and was the most beautiful ones I've ever seen when I got them. And I saved a picture of these actually because they're so beautiful, and I was like, why don't mine look like that? Well, it's because that. So I have them now. Absolutely gorgeous. I can also show you these. This is 3716 in silver, non-polarized gradient lenses. Ray-Ban logo. These were the first pair besides the original Clubmasters that I bought. These are awesome too. A little bit creakier, but that's okay. I love them. It's kind of a different style to it. So, yeah, you got those, and then obviously just released the new Clubmaster, and that is actually the name of them. I'm not just saying they're brand new. I'm saying they're the new Clubmaster 4416s, and I love the addition. I love the gold. The gold is very pretty on them. It's a very modern take on the Clubmaster. I love the gold frame here, or whatever you call the earpiece. Just a beautiful, lightweight, modern take on the original Clubmaster. I just couldn't pass it up. I got an ad and an email, and I'm like, oh boy, they added something to the Clubmaster line. I might be interested. So went and looked at them. No polarized version yet. I'm sure they will eventually, but absolutely amazing. I'm more than pleased with them, and they are going to stay in my collection. I need to get the aluminums back because those were by far, by none, the most premium feeling ones I've ever had. And the originals I should buy just for timeless sake. I have pretty much everything else. So you've seen them on my face. It's been quite a long review, but the booklets, I love these little booklets. And then you get the, and obviously at Sunglasses Hut, you don't get the original boxes with them. This is all you get. So unfortunately, we can't look at that. But there you go. Absolutely gorgeous. Hope you enjoyed that. And I'll see you next time unboxing who knows what. So thanks for watching. See you in the next one.